Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to block a YouTube channel on iPhone. So if you guys are wondering how to block a specific YouTube channel because you don't really want to see it anymore on your iPhone device, all we need to do first, in order for us to do this, is to launch the YouTube application and then choose the specific YouTube channel that you'd like to go ahead and block. Now, from here, I'm gonna go and choose any YouTube channel right here. I'm gonna go and just use this for this example, and let's access their YouTube channel from here. What I want you guys to do is to go ahead and tap on the three dots on the top right corner first, and okay. Let's actually go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. So, alright. So one more time on the YouTube application, let's go ahead and choose the specific channel, and then tap on the three dots on that channel on the top right corner, and then tap on hide user from my channel, and that is basically gonna hide this user and its contents from you on your channel. So if you go ahead and confirm this, of course, it's ultimately gonna remove this person from your feed and your channel as well. And somewhat do we block on this channel so that you won't see them anymore on your YouTube channel. And essentially, that is all for this video. That is how you can easily hide and block a user or a YouTube channel on your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and take care.